So this is lesson 16 in Algebra 1, more complicated evaluations. Now I'm not sure what they mean by that. Are they saying that these are more complicated? Or are they saying we're giving you more of the complicated problems? I don't know which one they're saying. But let's just continue on with these. They're just giving you 3 examples and then calling it good. We've got negative a, and then we've got negative a, parenthesis, p minus a. Got that. And they're telling us p is negative 2, a is negative 4. So let's go ahead and write that. Negative 4, because that's our a. Negative 4 again, that's our a. P. Negative 2 minus a, which is negative 4. Okay, make sure I've got this right. It's real easy to make mistakes. So I'm just going to look at my negatives that are close to each other and just change them to positives. So that'll make life easier. So that's 4. That's 4. That's still negative 2. And that's 4. Okay, so notice what we did here. This is negative 2 minus a negative 4, so I changed that to a plus 4. That's where that came from, right there. Okay, so let's do what's inside these parentheses here. We can do that as long as they're in the parentheses. And then 4 times 4 is 8, times 4 gives me 32 for an answer. Okay, 16.2. There's only 3 examples in here, so this will go pretty fast, I think. We've got AX, and then we've got that, and then we've got negative A times A minus X. Alright, A is negative 2, and X is negative 6. Let's make that look a little more. There we go. So, A is negative 2, X is negative 6, negative, A is negative 2, times A is negative 2, minus X is negative 6. Okay? So let's look at what we've got inside of here first. So we're going to leave this alone. And we're going to do what's inside of here. This is going to change to a positive 2. And it's being multiplied by negative 2 plus 6. Because that makes it a plus. So negative 2 times negative 6. Leave that a positive 2. What do we get in here? Signs are different. We take the difference, put the sign of the largest. Now we can multiply these since we took these parentheses off. And we've got negative 2 times negative 6 times 8, because that was inside of here. So here we've got 12 times 8, and 12 times 8 is 96. Okay, so that's example 16.2. Let's do 16.3 and we'll be done. Okay, 16.3. Oh my goodness. Let's see, we've got negative b, b minus c, minus the quantity, c minus b. And let's make my little quantity sign look a little prettier here. There. Alright, so we're saying that b is negative 4 and c is negative 6. So we're just going to start substituting. Okay, let's see, I've got a brace somewhere right there. Okay, so change that to a positive 4. Change that to a positive 4. Change that to a positive 6. Change that to a positive 4. Okay, so we have 4 times everything in here. So this is a 4. Negative 4 plus 6, take the difference between the two and sign of the largest. Negative 6 plus 4, take the difference between them, put the sign of the largest. Because this is two negatives, we'll make that a positive. So let's go ahead and get rid of that and just make it a positive. Okay, so now we have 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2, 4 times 10, and that equals 40. Okay, boy, I'm just waiting for me to make a mistake because it's so easy to make a mistake when you're doing these. So that's it for lesson number 16.